Hey everyone, how's it going? This is a Shopify versus Plusbase video and which one you should go for now. If we look at the scores at a brief, Shopify gets 96% score while Plusbase gets 85. Now they are both supported for whether you are a small business or a large business, but the platforms they support for Shopify are SaaS, web, cloud, doesn't matter, Android, iOS, both. But for Plusbase, you only have SaaS, web, or cloud. You don't have any sort of mobile, Android, or iOS. Which one that might be? Modes of support: you get live reps, business hours online, but you don't get business hours in Plusbase. And then API support is available in Shopify, which is not available for Plusbase. Now let's look at the pros and cons at a bit. Pros and cons would be Shopify is user friendly, it has robust marketing and SEO capabilities, and extensive app integrations. Whereas for Plusbase, they simplify dropshipping with one click store creation, auto synced system for efficient order fulfillment, conversion rate optimization solutions to maximize earnings. And then for Shopify, it's a bit pricey. You have some technical glitches, although it's not much what do I call it, very much annoying, but you'll find some. But that is, as the app says, very much occasional, and it has limited customization options, even though not many people complain about it because you can change almost everything and anything. But it's just that those options are limited, but that again shouldn't be a huge of a problem if you know how to market your product correctly. And then for Plusbase, there's limited information available on customer reviews, and it may lack advanced features which is found in some established dropshipping platform. Now on Reddit, the people, they're saying that Plusbase is just a bit sketchy, like it just came out of nowhere. And they claim to have their own payment gateway, but there's no info on this. Another thing is that it's not a much more established company as much as Shopify is, and Shopify is an e-commerce software, so you can do almost everything and anything. But for Plusbase, it's only a drop shipping. So if you're looking for an all-rounder or drop shipping, whatever you're going for, my suggestion would be Shopify. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.